Hello everyone, myself Naveen Porwal, student of MCOM second semester. I am here to give my presentation of indirect tax law and accounts, and my topic is tax and its types. A tax is a mandatory fee or financial charge that is levied by any government on any individual or an organization just to collect revenues for the public works. And the collected fund is then used to fund different public welfare programs. So, be it an individual or any business or organization, all have to pay the taxes in various forms. Now, these taxes are further subcategorized into a direct and indirect taxes, and depending on the manner in which they are paid to the taxation authorities. So, first of all, let's discuss about the direct taxes. So, the definition of direct taxes is hidden in its name, which implies that this tax is paid directly to the government by the taxpayer. Or you can say that the burden of tax cannot be shifted from the person to whom it is imposed. Means the same person has to pay the tax on whom it is imposed. And the general example of this type of tax in India are income tax and the wealth tax. The nature of direct tax is progressive in nature. That is, as the income of the person increases, the burden of tax on him or her is also gets increases. Means the more burden on the richer section and the less burden on the poor section of the society. By using the progressive taxation system, government bridges the gap between the richer section and the poor section of the society. Now let's discuss about the indirect tax. So indirect taxes are slightly different from the direct taxes, and the collection method is also a bit different. These taxes are consumption based that are applied to goods or services when they are bought and sold. Let's say that indirect tax payment is received by the government from the seller of goods and services. Now the seller in turn passes the tax on to the end user, that is the buyer of the goods and services. Thus, the name indirect tax as suggests that the burden of tax can be shifted from one person to another person. Some examples of indirect taxes are goods and services tax, or you can say a VAT, that is a value added tax. The nature of indirect tax is regressive in nature, that is, as the income of the person increases, the burden of tax on him or her is decreases. Or you can say that the more burden is on the poor section or less burden is on the richer section. Thank you.